How far did you go in school?
I got a bachelor's in science, criminal justice, law enforcement, administration degree.
Wow. Wow.
At 38 years old, Melissa Moore holds a bachelor's degree in criminal justice and law enforcement, the kind of background that can lead to careers in policing, investigations, or working inside the system. Instead, she's in court on a robbery charge. And it's not her first time. As her record is laid out, the judge pauses, clearly surprised to see someone with her education standing here again.
Your Honor, if this would have proceeded to trial, the state would have proven that on or about December 10th of 2024, in the city of Lebanon, Warren County, Ohio, the defendant entered People's Bank on Columbus Avenue. She then exited the bank, went back in about 5 minutes later, approached a teller, stating, "This is a robbery, give me the money." The teller questioned that. The defendant replied that yes, it was a robbery. The teller gave her $1,089. At the time, the defendant had on black gloves, a mask covering her face, a hoodie, and thick black framed glasses. She then exited the bank with the cash.
Mr. Staten, anything on those facts?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Moore, did you hear the statement that she read?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you admit and acknowledge that what she said is true?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is your plea?
Guilty.
The court will accept your plea of guilty, and based upon the statement of facts in your plea, the court will make a finding of guilty. Anything before I sentence her?
We would ask for restitution in the amount of $1,089 to People's Bank. Aside from that, as we discussed in chambers, this is now her third robbery conviction, and she is currently serving a prison sentence for a robbery.
Well, you have a jail time credit?
She has 0 days here.
Anything, Mr. Staten? Ms. Moore, is there anything that you'd like to say?
I would like to say I apologize for my actions. I know it was not right. I wasn't in the right state of mind, and I apologize.
Well, I tell you, after you told me about your education, I'm actually a little bit shocked to see you standing before me. I believe this is your third conviction for a robbery. I don't understand. I mean, you have the mental capabilities to go out and earn a living rather than stealing from other people, but committing 3 robberies, I mean, that's just shocking. All right, the court has considered the statements made here today, the purposes and the principles of sentencing, the relevant seriousness and recidivism factors. I know that there was no weapon used here, and that, according to Mr. Staten, that perhaps you don't feel that you instilled some fear in the teller, but that's still a pretty traumatic experience as a teller to be robbed. So I'm going to do what I told Mr. Staten I'm going to do. I am going to order you to serve 24 months in prison, that to be served consecutive to your current sentence. A consecutive sentence is necessary to punish you. It is not disproportionate to the conduct or the danger that you pose to the society, and that this offense was committed while you were awaiting trial or under indictment on another case of similar import. So you have 0 days jail time credit on this case. I'm going to order restitution in the sum of $1,089 to People's Bank.
For more real courtroom moments like this, where every decision plays out in real time and the consequences speak for themselves, make sure to like and subscribe.